Hey everyone, this is Michael from Bright Musical Circuits. This is BMC109. This is the voltage controlled distortion module. So this is similar to the Clipper bank that I put out a few months ago, or last year maybe, that it is a module that distorts an incoming signal. And basically what I've done is I've just added a transistor VCA to the front of that module. And so you're able to control how much distortion you have by controlling the output of that VCA. And yeah, I've just got a couple outputs of a sequencer going to it now. This is just some sine waves going in, an envelope generator controlling it, and then you should be hearing that. And I'm going to move the camera over to the oscilloscope real quick. And I'm going to simplify this down for a second. So here you can see undistorted sine, and as I'm increasing the gain, with no control voltage, just the gain knob right now, you can start to see that little bit of clipping on the bottom. And now it's pretty square on both tops. Oops, sorry, I hit the mic. And then now I'm going to start adding some control voltage. And now I'm going to turn that initial gain down. So you can see here we're using it as both the VCA and as a wave shaper. So we're completely cutting the signal out, and I'll mess with that envelope a little bit. So we're just going straight from square to almost nothing with just that little bit of like sininess. Yeah, so that's basically what this does. It's a pretty simple module. I'm going to put that other voice back in. And yeah, it's one that I've had fun messing with. And yeah, thank you for watching.